We are about to unbox this ring light that I got for Christmas, and the link came directly from Amazon. So whatever you're going to see is going to be all included with the link that I'll list down below in the description box. No, this isn't sponsored, but if somebody wants to sponsor me, please go ahead and do so. So here is how it came. So, you know, I pretty much knew it was a ring light, not gonna lie. And, oh, how am I gonna unbox this? And I have bad scissors too, but I like the fact that they matched. Oh, wait. It looks like they have those things where you break your nails on and your nail polish gets ruined, but you slide it out. Ah! Let me get real close here, but not a point to where I drop this. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I swear, if this falls off my bed, I'm gonna be so sad. And then you guys can hear the shatter with me. This was a terrible, terrible idea. This is the worst unboxing video ever. Did I get everything? I did. Okay. So let's see. We're starting with a remote control. It looks a little bit beat up, but you know. It's okay. Okay. This is something to do with the tripod. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Come here closer. Okay. Let me get you down on my level. And then I see we have a plug. Whoa. Is this a European plug? Oh my gosh. This box right here must be the stand. Ugh. Wonder if I can make this at all compatible with anything else. It'd be nice to have another tripod. And it comes with, I think this is a foot, it's called. Oh, and I see lots of rotation can be done with it. And then here's a stand to add some vertical height to it. Then we have the main carrying case. Newer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are the plates to add warmth and cool tones. So this will be for the warmth. And they just clip on kind of like a color gel will. But usually if you just don't want to have those exposed lights, you're going to use these translucent ones. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, guys, here it is. Here it is. Look at it up close. Is it gonna focus? I see all these yellow flecks, which I don't know if those are the lights or do I need to put in the lights? I've never been up close to a ring light unless it was turned on, so I don't even know what the inside's supposed to look like. Is there more in here? Maybe there's more. Okay, well, I think it's now time to set up this ring light now that we've unboxed it and put all the pieces everywhere amongst my bed. So I skimmed the instructions and I think I got this.
And we'll hide away. I'll be escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, get ready to begin, and just levitate.
Oh my God, this is so pretty. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing and my installation of this light. Now, I still have yet to try it out for the day-to-day use and see, you know, get a really true personal opinion about it. So once I do get a review of that, that will go up on my website's blog. But for now, you guys saw it. I got a ring light. I'm excited. I'm gonna be looking like so hot because it makes everybody look so beautiful, these lights. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.